Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our ezyVet employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your ezyVet employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for ezyVet employee login. And after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for login ezyVet employee account. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page. And now what you can do is just tap on the second option, which says ezyVet, and it will take you to this website where you can just enter the name. And after tapping on that option, it will take you to this website where you can just type in login. After typing in login, now you will come up to this page where you can log into your account. And now in order to log into your account, you just have to enter your email address and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, now you just have to enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password and you want to recover your password, so to do that, what you can do is just tap on forgot your password, and by tapping on forgot your password, you can easily reset or recover your password. So just do that, and after recovering your password, just come back to this sign in page and just enter the new password you created. And then tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your ezyVet employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.